Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the features you need. This saves time later. Open Settings, confirm Android version, and enable split screen or freeform if available. If an app won't resize, make sure developer options are on and toggle Force Activities to be resizable. This helps apps support multiple windows. Once done, reboot if required, because the system applies changes only after restart. You'll now be ready to place apps into separate windows for multitasking and see why each toggle matters. You'll now create windows and position them for work. Open an app, then use the Recents button or gesture to choose split screen. Tap a second app to fill the other pane. For floating windows, enable freeform mode or install a trusted launcher that supports floating. Then drag an app from Recents into freeform. Resize using the divider or drag corners. This changes layout and focus. Make sure to practice snapping to edges so you can quickly switch between one app full screen and multiple windows. You finish by optimizing behavior and knowing one key fix. Arrange app pairs or pin shortcuts for quick recall. This saves time each session. Adjust battery and background limits to reduce lag, and change animation scales in developer options for snappier resizing. If a window won't open or stays black, clear that app's cache, restart the tablet, and if you used forced resizable, toggle it off. This often restores native behavior. Once resolved, practice these steps and you'll multitask smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.